Listen up if you want to know a study method that's going to help you remember everything. First thing that you've got to do is you've got to make all your flashcards, but when you're making your flashcards, you need to make sure that on one side you've got the question, on the other side you've got the answers. Short and concise and to the point. Then you need to get yourself 3 boxes. You're now going to label your boxes. Box 1 is for every day. Box 2 is going to be for every other day. Box 3 is going to be once a week. So say it's Monday and you decided, okay, now I'm going to start. So you need to remember that you always start with box 1. So you're going to put all your flashcards into box 1, and what you're going to do is you're going to start by taking out the flashcards and testing yourself. Say you got it right. If you get it right, what you're going to do is you're going to move that flashcard from box 1 into box 2. But if you got it wrong, it stays in box 1. Because box 1 was every day, right? Box 2 was every other day, and you started on Monday, it means on Tuesday you're still doing box 1. Now it's Wednesday, which is the every other day box, which is box 2. But you're not going to only do box 2, you're also going to do box 1, because box 1 is every day. So test yourself on everything that you do in box 1. Everything you get right moves to box 2. Everything you got wrong from box 1 stays in box 1. Because again, like I said, it's Wednesday, you're going to do the every other day box as well, which is box 2. You open up the flashcards that you put in box 2 and you do them. Now the questions you get right from box 2, you move into box 3. But the questions that you get wrong from box 2, you move back into box 1. So the most important thing that you need to remember is that the flashcards you get right, you move into the next box, and the flashcards you get wrong, they go back into the box before.